So we've got some exciting news. We have just released the new Flight Simulator 2020 keyboard. Hey there, welcome to the video. I'm Mark Brown from Editor's Keys, and today we're excited to announce the brand new keyboard for Flight Simulator 2020. This will work for PC and the Xbox, and it contains all of the shortcuts and controls for Flight Simulator. So if you're using Flight Simulator, you definitely want to check out this keyboard. It contains every single shortcut on the key. There's over 150 shortcuts for Flight Simulator, and the keyboard includes 3 levels of backlighting. So whether you're doing a night flight from Manchester to Heathrow, or you're going all the way over to Australia, this keyboard will get you through those evening flights. So if you want to grab yours, I'll put a link in the description below directly to the Editor's Keys product page for the Flight Simulator keyboard. And also, if you've got any comments or questions, please do leave them below, because we do get back to every single comment asked. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your new keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.